I'm back here with a look at Turbo. All right, this thing has been a lot of fun to trade. We've been trading it over in Discord quite a bit, actually. This gives some nice moves to the upside for sure. And you can trade into the down. You can trade it both ways, obviously. So when this market is done running up, and we use leverage over there in Discord, we will hammer it on the way down. I mean, that's the great thing about leverage trading. You can trade it both ways. You can spot trade it both ways if you want. If you have a big enough amount of money to buy on spot, you can absolutely just trade on spot with no leverage. But if you're interested in joining our Discord, that's the level 3 membership. Go check it out. It's only $15, man. We got a pile of people in there, right around 200 people. You get 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, and you get a link to the Discord. All right, so we would love to have you. At least hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that for sure. Got a lot of great people over there. Someone in Discord just put a perfect chart out on this thing, and we're going to dig in a little bit deeper here. But you can see it's still on a uptrend, correct? Higher high, higher low, higher high, and so far a higher low coming in here, right? This is on a 4-hour chart. If we go on a daily, and we're going to zoom in here a lot closer, right? So you can see here we had this high, this low, then we had a lower high and a lower low, but now we've made a higher high on here, right? Once you get that higher high, it's usually a sign that things are heading back to the upside. Right? You can see a 5-wave correction in here. It's good to see. That's what you want to see. Right here, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Right? That usually signals a bottom. What did that come in on a fib level? I love my fib. If you learn anything about charting, learn how to use this fib, man. It is gold. Look at that, right into the golden pocket, 618702. And there you go. There's your reversal to the upside. That's what I love about this thing. Even on smaller time frames, you can go in on the 1 minute and use the Fibonacci. The fib is worth its weight in gold. You get that in the videos over there if you sign up for the membership too. But definitely learn it, okay? If you don't learn it from me, learn it somewhere because the thing is great. Inside here, this is on a daily. You can see a 1, 2. There's a 3 and a 4 and a 5 to the upside, all right, on a daily. What would that mean? A correction over here, right? Let's go in closer and take a look at this thing. On the 4-hour, all right, looks like we have actually another set of 5 coming inside here. So this 5th wave did not complete over here. This 4 back and this 5. Let me put it back on there so you know what I'm talking about because I went in closer, right? Out on the daily. Let's go back out here. We had a right here. 1, 2. Sorry about that. I'm using a table I'm not used to. 3, 4, and it looks like this 5 could possibly be heading higher. When we zoom in on a 4, all right, here's our 4 down to here, and this is our 5th wave over here coming up. All right, inside these bigger waves, you have sets of 5. All right, so just this 5th wave will have 5 waves inside of it. All right, so let's take this out. Let's get this out of our way here. All right, get that off there, and you can see right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right back to the top of wave 1. You cannot violate that. If it goes down below it, all right, this would disqualify it. Now wicks, I go with closing candles, but if a wick down here, if it violated it, you got to use your own judgment there, right? Does it look solid? Are the waves forming right? If 2 is not complex, then 4 has to be a complex wave. A lot of zig and zagging in it. If 2 don't, sometimes 2 is the complex one, and the 4th wave is a light one, like that wave 2 down here. All right, so you got 4, and you got a 5 coming up here. It looks like. All right, now if we zoom in here, it's definitely getting ready. All right, you have. Let's get that that off there. Alarm on that. Okay, you can see the downside push here. That's what you want to see, all right? Anything rising, like a rising wedge, is probably going to break to the downside, right? I mean, that's just how they go. Like it's like 8 out of 10 times is the statistics on it, and 8 out of 10 times things going to the downside, break up. That's it's just the way it goes with charts, but don't always bet on that. But like 70, 80% of the time, they do break to the upside. All right, now on the 4-hour RSI, on the bottom, oversold. That usually is pointing to upward momentum. The 8-hour is turning back to the upside. Green candle. And down here in the RSI, you can see the momentum. It's changed 27.11 and 27.9. Heading to trying to turn back up. The 12-hour is almost reset. Your daily is actually pulling down. These two red candles on the daily, but it looks, it's at a 74 and an 80. It is not coming straight down. Okay, well, that's good. That was my entry over there for Injective. And if we zoom in on a smaller time frame, like the 1 hour, 1 hour is heading to the upside. All right, so you're getting very, very close here on Turbo for a break. Now, where could this thing be headed? Let's take a look. All right, this is your upside resistance here coming down through here. All right, getting close. Now, once it breaks, if it breaks to the upside, all right, we're not going to go with 100% here, but more than likely it's going to break to the upside. Where would the target be for this thing? Put a Fibonacci on there. All right, first place I would look is right here, 702 and 618. If it breaks to the upside, pretty high percentage. It's at least heading to the 13.3 to the 13.5 area. If it breaks through that, then it's heading up here, up to this area here. We'll put a price label up there, up towards the 16.2, the first area. Excuse me, I apologize about that. Geez, I took a sip of my coffee there, and some of it got caught in my throat, it feels like. These are the first areas I'd be watching for. A break through these price levels. We get on here exactly, 13.3, right around there. A break of these two, and then you're heading up here, right? So keep your eye on Turbo. Could make a pretty big move here pretty soon. Percentage-wise, join the Discord, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not, well, if you join, we post enough trades. Your $15 is nothing, all right, per month. That's very, very cheap for what you get over there. Possibly a 35% move. All right, on a 10x leverage, that's 3.5xing your money. On a 20x, you're gonna 7x your money. That's leverage trading, man. As long as you get great entries and you're smart and don't use ridiculous leverage, you can do very, very well. You just gotta wait it out. This move will take a few days, maybe a week. I don't know, maybe a day. You get these big, massive candles that shoot up sometimes and really surprise you. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll be back with you very soon. Have a great day, everybody.